Once upon a time, in a garden bursting with vibrant flowers, there lived a rose named Rosella. Unlike the other roses, Rosella had a unique beauty that shone brighter than the sun. Her petals were a radiant blend of red and pink, and her scent was intoxicating. However, life was not always easy for Rosella. In a cruel twist of fate, a storm swept through the garden, tearing her petals to shreds and leaving her with a broken heart. Days turned into weeks, and weeks into months. The once vibrant Rosella now lay limp and lifeless, her beauty hidden beneath a layer of dust and neglect. The other flowers in the garden whispered about her, wondering if she would ever bloom again. One day, a tiny caterpillar named Calder wandered into the garden. Calder was small and weak, but he was filled with determination. He approached the broken Rosella and saw the beauty that lay dormant within her. Calder began to care for Rosella, tending to her every need. He dusted off her petals, and with each passing day, he spoke words of encouragement. He reminded Rosella of her strength, her resilience, and her innate beauty. As the days turned into weeks, something miraculous began to happen. Rosella started to regain her strength. Her petals began to regrow, and her scent returned, filling the garden with a fragrance that was even sweeter than before. The other flowers in the garden marveled at the transformation. They cheered for Rosella, applauding her resilience and determination. Rosella, now stronger than ever, stood tall and proud, her vibrant petals unfurling in the sunlight. From that day forward, Rosella was no longer just a rose. She became a symbol of resilience, a testament to the power of determination and the beauty that can emerge from the ashes of adversity. And wherever she bloomed, she reminded all who saw her that even in the darkest of times, there is always a chance for a new beginning. So, remember Rosella, the resilient rose, and let her story serve as a reminder that no matter how tough things may seem, with determination and perseverance, you too can bloom again.